There are several steps that truck drivers can take to prepare for winter driving conditions. Make sure that your vehicle is properly maintained and equipped for winter driving. This includes checking the condition of your tires and replacing worn tires if necessary. Ensure that your vehicle has sufficient antifreeze and that the cooling system is functioning properly. You may want to switch to an antifreeze with a de-icer mix to help ensure that the fluid doesn't freeze. Keep your fuel tank at least half full at all times. This will help to prevent your fuel lines from freezing. You certainly don't want moisture in your air tanks during cold weather either, so be sure to drain them more frequently. Make sure to regularly check that the air lines under your trailer are free of ice buildup as well. Pack an emergency kit that includes blankets, warm clothing, a flashlight, and other supplies that you may need in case of a breakdown or other emergency. Familiarize yourself with the winter weather forecast and plan your routes accordingly. Avoid driving in areas where severe winter weather is forecast when possible. Slow down and allow extra time for braking. Be sure to leave extra following distance when driving in snowy or icy weather. Snow and ice can significantly reduce traction, so it is important to adjust your speed and braking distance accordingly. Use your headlights and turn signals to increase your visibility to other drivers. Be sure to check your lights and signals for ice and snow buildup during your pre-trip inspections to ensure that they are visible. Using an ice scraper or de-icing spray to help prevent ice and snow buildup on your lights and signals can be helpful. This is especially important if you have LED lights as they don't throw off much heat. Avoid sudden movements or lane changes, as these can cause your vehicle to lose traction on slippery roads. By following these steps, drivers can help to ensure their safety and the safety of others on the road during winter driving conditions. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.